it's Katie Banks, and today we are going to looking at our dogs.
Come on.
So let's go.
And you guys remember house too? You guys don't know house looks like. So you guys see Maddie's doing something.
Hi, Mischief. This is Mischief. He's a pit bull mixed with a bulldog. He's very cute.
Hi, Mischief. Hi.
Let's go find the other dog. Where's the other dog?
Oh no, come on. Maybe this way.
Yeah. Princess! Hi, Princess Roxy. Oh, you're so cute.
She's like a cutie model.
I think she's like a terrier. I don't know. A dog. She's just adorable. I hope you guys like the dogs. They're so cute, aren't they?
Hi.
This is Mischief and this is Roxy.
Roxy.
And they're the cutest dogs so far.
This is the cutest. They're both the cutest dogs in the world.
Well, thank you for watching, guys.
Until next time, guys. Bye.